stuff in the down-to-earth woodworking shop in the last few weeks. I thought today it might be kind of fun for you to see me tear some stuff apart. Actually, today I'm going to take the garage door down, take off the trim, take off the siding outside, and get this ready for the last big project in the shop, which is closing in the front of the shop, putting in a window, a door, re-siding it, and I'll be buttoned up, ready to go for the winter. Well, maybe that's a little early, but I've still got a lot of work to do inside, but that's my next big project, so let's get after it and start tearing some stuff up. And here we go. Time to start taking the door out. Still got a little bit of trim to remove. Okay, the garage door and all the framing around it is gone. You may remember this little middle support over here. I didn't know if it was load bearing or not, but it did appear to have a load on it. So I've put some temporary 2x4s up to take the weight off of it. I'll be knocking that out in a minute, keeping my fingers crossed. And then I'm going to start building the wall. Well, the wall didn't fall down. In fact, the beam came out pretty easy. After placing and securing a bottom plate to the concrete, the rest of the wall building went pretty smooth. Once the framing was done, I was able to add 1/2-inch sheathing. If you read the article in this month's Highland Woodworking online newsletter, you know that I had to build up the wall thickness to match the existing garage walls. I used 1-inch foam insulation for that. Ready to install the window and the door.